Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, class. Today we are going to have discussion text. What is discussion text? Discussion text is a text that presents both sides of an issue or argument. The title of the text often outlines the issue to be discussed in the form of question. Or discussion text is to present a point of view about issue or problem, to present argument from differing point of view about issue or a problem. The structure of discussion text, we have issue, stating the issue which is to be discussed. Argument flow, presenting the point of supporting the presented issue. Argument contra or argument cons, presenting other point which disagree with the supporting point. We have conclusion or recommendation, sometimes stating the writer recommendation of the discourse. So we also have language features of discussion text, introducing category or generic participant, using thinking verb, feel, hope, believe, using contrastive conjunction, however, on the other hand, but, in other side, although, etc. Using modalities must, should, could, may, using adverbial of manner, deliberately, hopefully, and also using simple present tense. Okay, let's have a look the example of discussion text. So we believe we have different point of view about nuclear. Okay, nuclear energy is commonly offered as the alternative to overcome the crisis of energy. The debate whether the use of nuclear energy is an appropriate choice or not has not come to an end. Some people agree with the utilization of it because of the benefit. Some others, however, disagree because of its risk to the environment. Those who agree with the operation of nuclear reactors usually argue that nuclear energy is the only feasible choice to answer the ever increasing energy needs. In their opinion, the other sources of energy, for example, oil, coal, liquid natural gas, are not renewable and safe, while nuclear energy can be sustainable when produced in safe way. However, people who disagree with the issue of nuclear energy point out that the waste of nuclear product can be completely destroy the environment and human life. A meltdown in reactor, for example, usually result in the contamination of the surrounding soil and water. Take for example, the blow up of the nuclear reactor at the Chernobyl nuclear power station in Russia 20 years ago. The serious contamination imperiled people and the environment severely. It is obvious that nuclear energy should be avoided because it really endangers the environment. But what about the less polluted energy instead of nuclear energy? Is there any alternative energy to overcome the crisis of energy? In my opinion, nuclear energy is the best choice to overcome the crisis of energy. However, the government should make sure that nuclear reactor construction and maintain are safe. Okay, class, this is the example of pro and contra about the nuclear energy for our life. Okay, for people do not agree because it's very dangerous for our environment and also for our life. Okay, this is the example of discussion text. So we have pro and contra, and using however here for constructive conjunction. So we have two point of view of people regarding nuclear energy, pro and contra. Okay, I think that's all for today, class. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.